Hey, what is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we're doing a Joker makeup tutorial. So recently, Joaquin Phoenix has been casted as the new Joker, and I'm not really sure about the new Joker movie yet. Like, I haven't heard too much about it, but I know they are making a new Joker movie. It's set in a different like universe or whatever, and Joaquin Phoenix is gonna be playing the Joker, which I think is honestly probably even better than Leto's Joker. Even though I did do the makeup for that and the other makeup tutorial, maybe I'll link it down below. I mean, the makeup was fun to do, but it was just honestly that Joker was just really edgy and I didn't really like it too much. Like, that's just so 2016, but I'm actually pretty excited for the new Joker. I think he looks really awesome. It almost does look a little similar to Heath Ledger's, although Heath Ledger's is also different. Joaquin Phoenix's Joker looks more clownish, so I think that's pretty cool. Clowns have been really in recently, as I've noticed. Like, there's Pennywise, and of course there's Suicide Squad Joker, and then Art the Clown, and you know, I mean, even though I hated the movie Terrifier, maybe I might do a makeup tutorial for that, just because it just came out recently, and a lot of people do love it, whatever, but I did not like the movie. Maybe I'll share my thoughts about it if I ever do the makeup tutorial about it. But anyways, so yeah, so I think we're just gonna do simple face paint today. I'm not gonna do any body paint or anything. I don't have like a costume for the Joker or anything, so I'm just gonna do face paint, that's it. As y'all can see, I already painted my hair green. It looks disgusting, I know, but I was looking at his pictures and his hair doesn't look that beautiful. You know, it's not like pretty green, you know, like I have to buy like a really nice green wig or anything. So his hair looks pretty gnarly, it looks dirty, green, greasy, and oily. Like, it just doesn't, you know, that's how the Joker should look like. It's just dirty, you know, whatever. Like, not dirty, but like his hair is just like really ugly and green, not like a neon green, greased over, whatever. Like, just like Suicide Squad, but whatever. So yeah, so I think the makeup does look really cool. It's very clownish. I love it. So of course I had to do green hair. I said I wasn't gonna do any hairspray paints again after the Pennywise video, but I had to do it again for this video because it's the easiest and cheapest way to just color my hair real quick. And sure, it's gonna be a pain in the ass brushing it out and washing it out, but whatever, it's gonna be so worth it in the end, I hope. So yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so to kind of create a base for the white face paint, I kind of put on some Midnight Panish Dream Tone White Foundation all over my face. Just kind of create a base. You don't have to do this. You can jump right into face paint if you want to. It's just the only reason why I'm doing that is because I'm kind of running low on white face paint, so I kind of just want to kind of help the face paint out a little bit by lighting up my face. So yeah. But anyway, so next, moving on, we're gonna be using the Mehron's Water Activated Paradise AQ palette, whatever it's called. Oh my goodness! No! One that fell out. It's little paint fell out. It's like the whole entire thing of paint. And now I need a tin around it. It's just a paint. Just throw that back in there. Anyway, so we're gonna be using the white face paint. I have very little left, as y'all can see. My palette's very dirty. I've had this for like 2 years and it's lasting me really well, but I think I need to buy refills, especially for white and black recent. I do use those colors a lot. I think they're like $12 for each color. I'm not even sure, but yeah, definitely. So yeah, so we're gonna be dipping a brush into some water and swirling it around, and then we're gonna be applying it to the face. Apparently, a friend told me that if you crisscross like the paints, it'll help keep it. Because I know that whenever I do, especially white's the hardest to paint on, that it comes up patchy after a while. So I think I'm gonna try that crisscross method right now. Okay, so I painted my face white, but it does, in person, it looks more pinkish purple than white. I think my face paint got mixed in with red at some point, so now it's just like, It's not even white. It's like barely even white anymore, but it looks white in camera. This light kind of makes it look white, so that's good, I guess. So yeah, so if you're doing this face paint, make sure you do not mix any other colors in your white by accident. I mean, of course, that probably happened like a long time ago. My colors do get mixed around there once in a while, but whatever. I don't know if y'all can really tell. The lighting's kind of crap here now, but I kind of love the area between the hairline, kind of like messy. Okay, that's how his looks like. You can still kind of see his skin, and then there's the hairline. Same thing like over the jaw. It's like really messily applied, just like how his is. Mine is a little more clean on this side right here, whatever. Yeah, his makeup's pretty messy. It's not like clean or anything. It's not like the other Jared Leto's Joker makeup, which is more cleaner. I don't think he even really had much white paint on him, really. It was just his skin was really white. But anyway, so next we're gonna be doing the eyes. Let's see, how did the eyes look again? So they were blue, very messy blue. Let's see. If y'all have your own picture, that's great. There's a bunch of pictures online. I'm sorry if y'all guys hear the dog crying. He won't stop crying. I don't know. I've tried taking him outside, but yeah. So, but anyway, so yeah. So we're gonna be using this blue paint right here. I figured we're gonna be using all face paint today. I don't feel like diving into my shadows today. I just don't feel like this. So yeah. So we're gonna be using this one right here. I think there goes my word again. I think it's a perfect blue. So yeah. So we're gonna be dipping my brush in it, some water, and then we're gonna be basically applying it and probably adding some water to like make it kind of drip down. Yeah, we're gonna do that. But I don't know, now I'm thinking about it, I should probably do the lips first. Actually, scratch that. I'm gonna do the lips, the mouth first, which is like a huge clown mouth, it's totally overdrawn lips, and we're gonna be doing that first. So yeah.
You find what you've been looking for. Trust me, I don't wanna feel no more.
Okay, so since I just first finished the mouth, I might as well do the nose since it's red, and then the eyebrows. I might want to do that last, so I can drip into the eye makeup, whatever. So yeah, so we're gonna be doing the nose just in red. Let me show you guys a picture of the nose. See how it is, and then I'm talking about, it's kind of like a side profile pic, but I've seen some other pictures of him already. There we go. It's just simply gonna follow the nose, kind of be bleeding out like up on the top a little bit. I like how this came out, like it was really messy. I like that. So I mean, it's not exactly like his, but it's pretty cool.
There's no need to scream and shout. As far as I can see, I think it's time for you to leave in peace.
Okay, so next, finally, we're gonna be doing the eyes. So I think I've been waiting for this part, honestly. I mean, it's nothing really crazy or anything, just triangles, but one eye is kind of longer than the other one for sure. Like one triangle goes up higher and then one goes up more lower than the other one. Like it's just like one side's maybe longer than the other, so I'm pretty excited. Yeah, so we're just gonna be dipping my brush. I'm using a big brush. I was gonna use a tinier one, but it's gonna be very messy, so I'm just gonna apply it on really quick, and then now, you know, I think this might be the quickest face paint I've done, maybe. Minus the white. That took forever blending, honestly. I hate white paint. But yeah, so other than that, it's very messy and very easy. I think it'll be a very fun and quick Halloween makeup look.
As far as I can see, I think it's time for you to leave in peace. what you've been looking for. Trust me, I
Okay,
don't
so last but
wanna.
not least, the eyebrows. I kind of realized I was forgetting something. I looked back at the picture and I was like, oh yeah, little red eyebrows. So yeah, so I'm going to be drawing on some messy little red eyebrows with the face paint right here. So yeah, this is going to be very messily applied, very quick, and I'm trying to get to drip down a little bit by adding some water on it. Okay, so I don't think the face paint is definitely enough. I think I definitely need more details. So I'm gonna try to add like the wrinkles, like around, like nose wrinkles, like right here. I hope maybe these ones like above, below nose. Might add some like forehead wrinkles. Maybe some right here. Just kind of like to make myself look kind of like him a little bit. It's more like, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. But I feel like the face paint just isn't enough. It's just me and face paint. So I think I should add a little bit more. I think also I might add some shadows like right here on the eyelids just to make it look more menacing, I guess, more, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, so I'm going to be basically contouring, adding shadows and stuff. I'm using the Lunatic Cosmetics contour palette as always. I'm using mainly these shades right here. I'm using a little brush to like draw on the little lines, and I'm using other brushes to blend them out.
Never mind, I'm thinking out loud before we draw a crowd. Reel it in, take it easy, there's no need to scream and shout. As far as I can see, now think it's time for you to leave in peace now. As far as I can see, now think it's time for you to leave in peace now. Peace now. In peace now. In peace now. I hope you find what you've been looking for. Trust me, I don't wanna feel no more.
Okay, so I think that's it for today's makeup tutorial. So I think I had a ton of fun recreating the Joker from the new movie. I think it's gonna be on next October, I believe. I'm not sure. But anyways, so